RAC is a complete remote audit solution that's easy to use, giving you an audit experience that's just like being there. But it saves you time, money, and the hassle of traveling when you can't be there in person. We built the RAC with the latest 360-degree live stream technology, giving you the ability to do facility tours in real time, so you can see the entire site just like you were there in person. The RAC allows secure sharing of any kind of document, whether it's paper or electronic. And the RAC also facilitates staff interviews, all from one simple, easy-to-use interface. The RAC gives you a way to conduct consistent, accurate, and secure remote audits, saving you time, money, and hassle, giving you a predictable and repeatable audit experience.